This is the easiest and most delicious dessert you will ever see. For this recipe, we will need 395 grams of condensed milk, 400 grams of sour cream, and we are going to mix all these ingredients very well. Guys, this dessert looks wonderful. I'm sure all of you who make it will love it, because it's delicious. I will also add 2 cups of powdered milk. Mix very well. And folks, you're already commenting to me. What city are you watching us from? And I'll send a super special hug to each one of you who is commenting. Now I'm going to add another container. 12 grams of unflavored gelatin, 5 spoons of water. I will mix very well until dissolved. And then just put it in the microwave for about 15 seconds. Okay, until it stays like this here. I'm putting it now and mixing it very well. Now I'm going to be here using 180 grams of biscuit. I'm using this flavor, but you can use any flavor, right? And I'm going to be cutting them like this here in half. And today, I'm going to send a special big hug to Emma from Los Angeles. Thank you so much for always following us. I thank you immensely. I'm going to now add it here to our dessert, and mix it right with a spatula. Add now, our dessert in a container to put cookie. I pray on top. But this Oreo cookie is just for decoration, right? If you want, you can add it to your dessert. And I'll be taking it to the fridge for about 2 hours. Is our Oreo dessert ready? And it looks wonderful, guys. This dessert was perfect. I'm sure all of you who do, will overcome. So if you liked it, share it and see you next time. Goodbye.